love making dhikr. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, yourself.
Tell me, what's the best part about the whole event for you?
You get caught up with work, and then when you come to an event like this, alhamdulillah, it grounds you. The heart and the ruh as well.
I mean, having a tough weekend coming through and just puts you into the right space.
Connecting to Allah.
There is no one best part. For me, everything was amazing. From the time that I walked in here, the mahabba, the love, the everything, the support people are giving, and then
I think that it's a beautiful event and it helps you connect with Allah and makes you have a more spiritual connection with Allah.
Me, my favorite part of dhikr was at the end when we wanted to give our own dua. Because for me, it was like really deep and like I teared up a little bit because there's a lot I'm going through and I ask Allah almost every day for help.
Did you make any special du'as?
Free Palestine.
Free Palestine, mashallah.